Everyone, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. Hello. Christmas is around the corner. Are you excited for Christmas? Yes, I am. Welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. My name is Mami, your lady here. So we do some beauty tips. We do juicy, we do makeup, we do anything related to beauty. If you feel like that's your cup of tea, please stay there, subscribe, and then let's continue this journey. Today we've got a very nice syrup that we'll be doing because we know some of us we have been poorly with colds. It's like winter time, it's like proper colds, you know. So we've seen winter, but this winter is kind of like different from other winters. So today I've got a nice syrup to do, like to share with you. I've tried it myself, it works, so that's why I was like, why not share with my family, with my friend, and everyone who follow us by Marvelous Beauty World. So we're sharing the syrup. Stay tuned, so I'm gonna show you how to do that syrup. It's very simple and it's straightforward, but it's very effective. If you want to see how I'm gonna do it, keep watching. Much love. I told you in my intro, so we'll be sharing a nice and natural syrup for cold and flu, you know, so all the infection, cold and flu. So if you try to use this syrup, honestly it does help. And then we have like some nice beautiful ingredients put together. So we've got our honey. So you guys, you know the benefits of honey. Honey helps us, you know, relieve the cough, and then it's rich in antioxidants, and then is the antibacterial as well. So using honey, you know, when it's cold, so it does help a lot. So we'll be moving on to the next ingredient. So we've got lemon. Lemon is very rich in vitamin C, you know, and then it helps us to deal with common colds and flu. And then also lemon contains a lot of minerals such as calcium, iron, potassium, and more. So using lemon, it does help. It's really good. And then it helps as well, you know, like with boosting our immune system. Our immune system, when it's strong, you know, so those cold and flu, so it's not gonna come and then mess around, no way. So the last ingredient, so we have ginger. You know, ginger is really good, so it helps like reducing pain. You know, you can have like pain on your chest, you know, when you are coughing. So when you have cold and flu, so you can have some pain on your chest, on your throat. So using ginger is really, it does help. You know, it does help as well with, if you have like an upset stomach, it does help. It's a very anti-inflammatory. You know, when you have cold, you feel like on your throat like it's kind of like swollen, and then it's when you swallow, you try even to swallow saliva, it is just painful. So ginger is really good, so you know, on helping on that area. So these three powerful ingredients, mixing all of them three together, so it's gonna help you like to get rid of all of this cold and flu and virus around, you know. So we've got ginger here, so I'm gonna start peeling my ginger. I'm just gonna remove the skin of the ginger. So my hand is really nice and clean. I clean my hand, and then the ginger as well, I did clean it. So we're just peeling the skin, you know. I just cut it, you know, cut it circle round, and then I've got the ginger. So I'm gonna move on to the lemon. So for the lemon, we don't peel off the skin because we got all the food benefit when we leave it with the skin. Yeah, so I'm just cutting it. My ingredient prep there, so you'll be needing a bowl like this, you know, so in order to be putting your ingredient inside. So the first things, I'm gonna put this lemon on top down there, and then so the next thing I'll put is the ginger. I'll put it down there, and then I'm gonna get the honey. So I get 1 spoon of honey, I'll put it on top, and then again, so I'll get like another round of lemon. I'll put it like on top of the lemon, lemon, and the honey. So you doing this, so it's gonna help like the all two ingredients to melt together, to blend together. And then so when the juice coming from all the three ingredients, this syrup is very effective, darling. So if you are suffering from cold, flu, honestly, some virus around, so just try this natural ingredients. You're gonna see it's very powerful. I don't know how you do yours, you know, you can still feel free share with us how you do your own one, but my own one, I just do it this way. So you know, it's just kind of like piling those three ingredients together, so in order for you to have like a nice effective syrup. So yeah, so I keep just doing the same until you have everything finished. So I'm just gonna squeeze it down a little bit so I can get the most of my best. So just put the ginger on top and then put another layer of lemon. I think that's it. And then I'll put another ginger lemon honey. Just keep doing that. So yeah, and then for the side, you're just gonna try like to put some honey on the side. So you're gonna let it set like for before you start using it, let it set for an hour, so in order all the juice and then benefits come out, and then all the three ingredients blend together, and then when you're gonna use it, so you see how effective it is. So the rest one, so you can even put the rest of ginger on the side. So yeah, just put it on the side and then add more honey. So that's it, and then you go with your lids and then you just close it down. Okay, guys, so that's how it looks like. So our powerful syrup, so made with these three ingredients. So you just close it down in a like container like this. So you have your spoon after an hour. So when all the juice comes out and then all the three powerful ingredients mix together, so you can get a spoon and then you're getting the syrup. You can put it like in your warm water or in your green tea or in any kind of tea. If you put it and then drink it, honestly, so by drinking it like twice daily, so it's gonna be like do a wonderful job on you. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. See that? It looks so nice and beautiful. So all the juice things, yeah, just trying to come out. So as you can see, it's ginger, lemon, and on here, look at that. Does it not look beautiful? So if your spoon, but you can use any spoon. No, you don't just have to use a wooden spoon. So any spoon of your choice will do. So just follow the order that we put in. You put lemon, you put ginger, and then you add a layer of onion on top, and then you beat it up that way. So that's how our syrup looks like. After an hour, you see all the juice are coming together. So make sure you pack it well, so in order to bring all the juicy and then the syrup together. So does it not look nice? It looks very nice. Morning and night, you know, get 2 spoons of it. Is very effective. It's something natural, but it does have a lot of benefit. You know, all the 3 benefits I mentioned on my intro for ginger, lemon, and honey. So there you go. So that was all for today. I wanted to share this powerful syrup for cold and flu and then all the bacteria around winter time. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. So the way you're gonna drink it, you just get 2 spoons of it. So if you want, you can drink it on its own, or you can put it in a warm water or in your tea. So it works very amazing, and then it's very powerful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. We appreciate you. Thank you for your support, subscribing in our channel. Growing together is, you know, a pleasure for us. Keep subscribing, so you know, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, share and subscribe. We see you until our next one. Bye.